Hi guys, Network Guru here. In this video I'm going to show you how to add clickable link to your TikTok bio. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I'm currently using my iPhone, but you can do the exact same steps on Android as well. First, open up the TikTok app. Tap on profile at the bottom right. Now, if you like me, you may not have a link yet. No worries, just tap edit profile towards the left. You see a section called links where you can add both Instagram and YouTube links. Let's tap on YouTube and hit continue to sync into your YouTube account and link it automatically. You can do the same for Instagram. Just trust the process to link your Instagram account. If you don't see these options or they're not working, here's what you can do. Tap on the three lines at the top right, the Go to Settings and Privacy. Choose Account at the top. Select Switch to a business account and follow the prompts. This unlocks more features. Once done, go back to Edit Profile and you should see the option to add your one website. Tap Add Website and enter the URL you want to link in your TikTok bio. If you still don't see the option, head to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for TikTok and update the app to the latest version. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Catch you on the next one.